Hello children, welcome to my class. For today's class, we will learn the names and sounds of the alphabets A to Z. The names and sounds of the alphabets A to Z. The first letter A. The name of the letter is A. The sounds of letter A are A, 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 A. The name of the letter is B. B. The sound of letter B is Ib. Ib. The name of the letter is C. C. The sounds of letter C are Ik. Is. Ik. Is. The name of the letter is D. D. The sound of letter D is It. It. The name of the letter is E. E. The sounds of letter E are E. 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 The name of the letter is F. F. The sound of letter F is The name of the letter is G. G. The sounds of letter G are Ig. Idge. Ig. Idge. The name of the letter is H. H. The sound of letter H is The name of the letter is I. I. The sounds of letter I are E, I, E, I. The name of the letter is J. J. The sound of letter J is Itch. Itch. The name of the letter is K. K. The sound of letter K is Ik. Ik. The name of the letter is L. L. The sound of letter L is Ill. Ill. The name of the letter is M. M. The sound of letter M is M. M. The name of the letter is N. N. The sound of letter N is N. N. The name of the letter is L. L. The sounds of letter L are O, L, O, L. The name of the letter is P. P. The sound of letter P is Ip. Ip. The name of the letter is Q. Q. The sound of letter Q is Ik. Ik. The name of the letter is R. R. The sound of letter R is R. R. The name of the letter is S. S. The sound of letter S is S. S. The name of the letter is T. T. The sound of letter T is It. It. The name of the letter is U. U. The sounds of letter U are U, A, U, U, A, U. The name of the letter is V. V. The sound of letter V is V. V. The name of the letter is W. W. The sound of letter W is V. V. The name of the letter is X. X. The sound of letter X is X. X. The name of the letter is Y. Y. The sounds of letter Y are E. E, I. E, E, I. The name of the letter is Z. Z. The sound of the letter Z is Z. Z. Thank you all.